Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. Today I wanted to do a few gesture drawings. I'll have a time limit for myself, about 1 minute, and just kind of show you the process of me going through the gestures and the thought process that I follow. Okay, so let's start drawing this one, and we'll do a 1 minute timer. So we'll do a 1 minute gesture drawing. So the first thing I start with is the head. I indicate the direction the face is facing, or the head is facing. And I start with the neck, and I go the thoracic, the lumbar. And then on the other side, I indicate the stretch, and then the pelvis, and then can add some wrapping line on the chest and the pelvis to indicate the direction. Then the leg, as you can see here, the other leg, and again some wrapping lines to indicate the direction. And then we can add the arm. And there you go. That is a 1 minute gesture drawing, and then you can kind of make some of these lines thicker if you wanted to. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We can start the timer again. So same idea, the head first. We do the direction of the neck, thoracic, lumbar, the stretch, and then in this one we can see the back, so we can put some wrapping lines for the back. And then the leg, the other leg, okay, and then the one arm here, and the other one down here, and some wrapping lines. And there we go. That is another 1 minute gesture drawing. Now we can do the last one. So same idea, head, neck, and always do the spine, the stretch, some wrapping lines, do the leg, the other leg, wrapping lines to indicate the direction, and then we can add the arms. Okay, indicate the face, some lines. So there you go. These are very fast 1 minute gesture drawings. Of course, 1 minute is very short and you can't really add too many details. But with very few lines and some wrapping lines, you'll be able to capture the essence and the gesture. And then you can, of course, move on to the next step, add some construction and add some anatomy and get more details. Let me know if you like this video, and if you want to see more of these gesture and construction drawings, and I'll be able to do more of those for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.